Today's an awesome day, gorgeous day, beautiful day of May, and only had my boat last week. But anyway, this morning I had a nice little game of golf. It's now 1 o'clock, and I'm gonna go out and enjoy the boat. So come along with me. Here's the beautiful boat. Going out for a nice little ride today at my marina. Put in a Canada flag, ready to go. I was told to cover the boat every time to prevent sun damage, not just water damage, but sun damage. So I'm doing. It's a quick cruise. The boat has plenty of storage. Instrument panel, my new GPS. Little sink. And a bus that goes in the water. Very busy here. So being early in the summer, I just got to fit in water. There is no water right now in the boat. Turn on the water pump. Sink. Good. Back hose. SeaRay Sundeck 260. It has a pretty nice bathroom. Very useful on longer trips. Here we are. Flying over the water. Getting close to the marina. Slow down. Drastically. Trouble with the boats over there. Wonder what this is coming. Sure. But here we are. wonderful Ottawa River on my beautiful boat. There's the marina. Nice big boat. Cruise boat. Nice. Such a beautiful river, my goodness. Taking a little break here. Listen to the geese flying. Let's fix my flag. Such a beautiful ride today. Wow. Marina. Kitchibishi Marina. This is where I usually fill up. But now that the gas is considerably cheaper in Ontario because it's cheaper and no carbon tax. A nice little restaurant there that it's called the Pirate. And there's a dock and everything. I've never been yet, but hopefully I'll try that this year. Looks like it's pretty good. It's always full. It's a cute little area in the capital. This place can easily flood though in spring. Water is receding now. It's okay. It looks okay now. Head over into the Gatineau River. most people fishing here. So I'm definitely going to be trying some fishing here this year. Beautiful fall. Nice place. Nice and beautiful boats. Nice people. Too expensive. Here's a very beautiful museum of history. Downtown Ottawa. Lots of construction like usual. Construction. It's been so for several years now. Museum. Wax Museum. And here are the famous Rideau locks. I'm going to take these logs with this boat. We're going to try to explore the other side. Never did that yet. In 5 years of boating in the area here. That'll be the first time I try.